In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Binance on your desktop for cryptocurrency trading. Before we dive into the process, let's make sure you have everything you need to get started. You'll require a computer, whether it's running Windows, Mac OS, or Linux, along with a solid internet connection. Additionally, you'll need a valid form of identification for verification purposes, commonly known as KYC, or Know Your Customer Protocols. Lastly, prepare a funding source, which might be a bank account, card, or perhaps an existing crypto wallet. So, let's move on to the initial steps. Start by navigating to Binance's official website. From there, you have the choice of either utilizing the web platform directly through your browser or downloading the Binance desktop application, which is available across different operating systems like Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Once you access Binance, the next step involves creating an account. Here, you'll need to provide your email address or phone number, depending on your region, and set a secure password. Following account creation, you'll be required to complete the KYC or identity verification process. This generally includes submitting a government-issued identification document and performing a selfie or facial verification to confirm your identity. For an added layer of security, it's a recommended practice to enable two-factor authentication, widely known as 2FA. This additional security measure helps protect your account from unauthorized access. The next thing you need to do is deposit funds into your Binance account. Depending on your region, Binance might support fiat deposits through bank transfers, credit or debit cards, or third-party payment systems. If you prefer a crypto approach, you can deposit cryptocurrency from another wallet or exchange platform. Once your account is funded, take some time to explore Binance's interface. Familiarize yourself with the spot market, which is the basic buying and selling marketplace on Binance. Here, you can choose a trading pair, for example, BTC/USDT, and place orders. You'll find advanced chart tools offering insights through price charts, order books, and recent trades. Understanding different order types is crucial. You can use market orders if you want to buy or sell immediately at the current price, or opt for limit orders for more precise control, setting the price at which you want to buy or sell. Binance also offers stop limit and stop loss options for more strategic trading decisions. Now, let's proceed to making your first trade. Start by selecting a trading pair and deciding on the order type. If quick execution is your priority, a market order is ideal. For stricter pricing control, go for a limit order. Input the amount you intend to buy or sell, and confirm your trade, keeping an eye on any potential fees and slippage. If, at some point, you wish to move crypto to an external wallet, use Binance's withdraw function, where you'll provide the recipient address. If withdrawing fiat currency, follow the specific steps prescribed for your country. Finally, it's worth noting some additional features on Binance, like the BNB coin, Binance's native token, which can help reduce your trading fees. If you're considering futures or margin trading, remember this involves higher risks and is only advisable if you're well-versed in those trading methods. Don't forget, Binance Academy provides a wealth of educational content to expand your understanding of crypto markets and trading strategies.